The cell of the Holy Archangels is one of the oldest buildings in Karyes, the capital of the Holy Mount Athos. It is also home to the Brotherhood's most revered treasure, the icon of the Archangel Michael and the heavenly host. Today, due to severe decay, the roof of the cell is on the verge of collapse. This threatens not only the ancient building itself, but also the church's wall paintings and the holy relics kept within. While efforts to restore the roof are underway, the cost of repairs far exceeds the Brotherhood's modest means. Furthermore, construction work on Mount Athos is significantly more expensive due to the remoteness and isolation of the monastic community. At present, only 3 monks live in the cell. Their sole craft and source of income is the art of iconography. The restoration must be completed before the rainy season begins. The Brotherhood will gratefully accept any contribution that can help preserve this holy abode for future generations of monks. May the Most Holy Mother of God protect the Holy Mountain, its monasteries and cells, and each one of us.